When it comes to dropshipping, choosing the right platform can make or break your business. Today, we're diving into the differences between WooCommerce and SaleHoo to answer the big question, which offers more supplier options for dropshipping. To kick things off, let's talk about WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress that essentially turns your website into an e-commerce platform. It's incredibly customizable and has a massive ecosystem of plugins that can extend its functionality. But when it comes to suppliers, WooCommerce itself doesn't offer a built-in supplier directory. You'll need to rely on third-party integrations like OllyDropship, Spocket, or even WooCommerce-owned partnerships with dropshipping suppliers. Next thing, let's look at SaleHoo. SaleHoo is a directory service, not a complete e-commerce solution. It connects you directly to a network of pre-vetted suppliers. With over 8,000 suppliers across various niches, it's a fantastic resource if you're looking for a ready-made list of suppliers who are dropshipping friendly. SaleHoo also vets its suppliers, so you don't have to worry about dealing with unreliable partners. However, SaleHoo comes at a yearly fee, which may seem a bit steep for some entrepreneurs, especially if you're just starting out. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. WooCommerce flexibility is its biggest advantage, but it can also be a curse. You'll need to spend time setting up plugins, integrations, and managing different third-party tools to get your store up and running. On the other hand, SaleHoo offers a streamlined experience. You pay for access to their supplier list and can get started almost immediately. But keep in mind that SaleHoo doesn't offer the level of customization that WooCommerce does. You're limited to whatever your e-commerce platform offers. The fourth thing we need to look at is cost. WooCommerce is free to install, but once you add on all the necessary plugins and extensions to integrate suppliers and run a successful dropshipping store, it can get pricey. SaleHoo, on the other hand, charges a yearly fee, but that's all-inclusive, so you don't have to worry about additional charges down the line. If you're serious about dropshipping and want a no-fuss supplier list, SaleHoo's cost may be worth it. But if you prefer more control over your store and have the budget to pay for plugins, WooCommerce could be the better choice. Lastly, let's talk scalability. WooCommerce allows you to scale as much as you want, given its flexibility and the plugins available. However, scaling with WooCommerce requires a good deal of technical knowledge and a solid understanding of e-commerce. SaleHoo's supplier list, while extensive, won't offer the same level of scalability in terms of customization and niche-specific options. It's fantastic for getting started, but could limit you as you grow. So, which one is better for dropshipping? WooCommerce has more flexibility, but it requires a significant investment of time and money to get the supplier options right. SaleHoo gives you instant access to a vetted supplier list, but lacks the customization and scalability that WooCommerce offers. Both platforms have their merits, but they come with trade-offs. Now, after trying both WooCommerce and SaleHoo, I personally believe there's a better alternative out there. If you're looking for more supplier options and an easier way to scale your dropshipping business without the complexities of these platforms, I highly recommend checking out the free trial in the first link in the description. This trial gives you access to a platform that combines the best of both worlds, customization and an easy supplier integration. Plus, through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, give it a try and let me know what you think.